If you're on version 2021 or above, for GTA materials to work, set to max legacy and restart 3ds Max. In the previous video, we went over how to create a dirt path through a grassy surface. We can reuse the base and blend meshes to create a snowy environment. In this case, I am taking a snow and a stone texture from GTA 3.img and using that instead of the grass and dirt textures used in the other video. I am also going to paint away the stone path in some places to make it seem that the snow is covering the path in some areas. Copy channel 9 data to vertex alpha channel. Export both without light flag and with vertex prelights and extra vertex colors. Vertex alpha cannot render with light flag, which is the setting that adds skylighting and some exposure to models. You have already made the collisions from the previous guide.